first developed in Newfoundland, where they assisted fishermen in retrieving nets and capturing escaped fish. Modern Labrador Retrievers make excellent hunting dogs. Labrador Retrievers are a high-energy breed, with an unparalleled drive to fetch down waterfowl. Intelligent and friendly, Labs, as they are often called, also make excellent family pets. One of the most popular breeds in the United States, Golden Retrievers are not only excellent hunting dogs, they also perform admirably as guide dogs or search and rescue dogs. Friendly dogs, Golden Retrievers are equally happy retrieving waterfowl or playing with their family. While they're water repellent, double coat shed seasonally, it also keeps them comfortable while working in the water. Equipped with webbed feet, Chesapeake Bay Retrievers are excellent dogs for retrieving waterfowl in cold weather. While these dogs have a relatively short, double coat, both layers contain protective oils, which help to keep these dogs warm in cold, wet conditions. English Springer Spaniels are medium-sized hunting dogs who weigh as much as 50 pounds. Originally bred as fleshing dogs, Springers are excellent upland game birds whose boundless energy and desire to please their owners allow them to work all day. Although they also make excellent family pets, English Springer Spaniels require regular brushing and grooming to keep their long hair from matting. While few breeds have comparable pointing skills, English setters are not enthusiastic retrievers. Their feathered coat is quite handsome, but requires regular grooming to keep it looking its best. Hunters should opt for field lines, which have lighter feathering. English setters have a strong desire to be with their pack, including the human members of their pack, and require plenty of attention and exercise. The Brittany is a quick, athletic breed, equally capable at fleshing or pointing. Originating in France, the breed originally was called the Brittany Spaniel, as hunters discovered that the breed's hunting style was more similar to that of pointers than fleshing dogs. Brittanys require plenty of exercise, although they make loyal, loving pets. Available in 13-inch tall and 15-inch tall varieties, Beagles are energetic, playful and slightly mischievous. Despite their small size, Beagles are accomplished hunters that are well suited for finding, flushing and retrieving rabbits. Built low to the ground, Beagles are skilled trackers, with an incredible sense of smell, rivaling that of basset hounds. Because Beagles are a vocal breed, they are easy to track when they are out of sight. Long-legged and lean, American foxhounds are built to run because they are full of energy and have the endurance to chase deer while barking and howling at the top of their lungs. American foxhounds are ideal accomplices for deer hunters. American foxhounds work well with other dogs and can make good pets, but they are independent dogs who require a skilled trainer. Well-muscled, athletic dogs, Dogo Argentinos were developed to hunt big game, including cougars and wild boar. Despite their intimidating appearance, Dogo Argentinos are cheerful, humble and friendly. These dogs, which may stand up to 27 inches at the shoulder, are energetic and require plenty of focused exercise and play. Excellent all-around hunting dogs, German short-haired pointers are capable of pointing, setting, flushing, trailing, tracking and retrieving game. German short-haired pointers are intelligent dogs, with even, family-friendly temperaments. Blessed with great stamina, German short-haired pointers have the energy to spend the day pursuing a variety of game species, including deer, quail and chukar.